Are you ready to launch your online store? Wix makes it simple. In just a few steps, you can set up your e-commerce site. Let's explore how to do this effectively in 2025. Wix is a user-friendly website builder. It enables anyone, even beginners, to create an online store. No coding experience is required. It offers various templates and features designed for e-commerce. First, sign up for Wix account. Visit the Wix website and click Get Started. You'll fill in your email and create a password. After that, you'll have access to the dashboard. Next, choose an e-commerce template. Wix provides a wide selection of templates. Pick one that aligns with your business style. Customizable options allow you to personalize it to fit your brand. Now, let's add products to your store. Click on Store Products in the dashboard. Here, you can add product images, descriptions, and prices. Make sure to include high-quality images to attract customers. It's time to set up payment methods. Wix supports various options. You can choose to accept credit cards or PayPal. Simply go to Payments in the settings to customize this step. Next, optimize for SEO. This helps your site to be found on search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions. Wix offers built-in SEO tools to enhance your visibility. Test your website before launching. Navigate through each page, ensuring everything works smoothly. Check links, payment processes, and the mobile experience. Once satisfied, publish your site. Click Publish in the top right corner of the dashboard. Congratulations, your e-commerce store is live for the world to see. Promoting your store is crucial for attracting customers. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your products. Consider running ads to reach a broader audience. Remember to analyze your store's performance. Wix provides analytics in the dashboard. Monitor traffic and sales to identify improvement areas. In summary, Wix is an excellent platform for e-commerce beginners in 2025. It allows you to build a professional store without technical skills. Just follow these steps. Sign up, choose a template, add products, set up payments, optimize for SEO, test your site, publish, promote, and analyze. Are you ready to start your e-commerce journey with Wix? Visit Wix today and begin creating your dream online store.